pense que je vais encore refaire une fois de plus mon identité de chaîne, un de ces quatre. Hein. Il va falloir tout refaire, c'est chiant. En fait, j'ai la flemme, mais j'ai envie. Vous voyez ce que je veux dire? Ah, bonjour YouTube! Oui, bonjour YouTube, on joue à James Bond encore. Parce qu'on va le finir et peut-être qu'on va le 100%. Et peut-être que c'est bien. Et j'ai déjà chaud. Putain. Et j'ai pas envie d'ouvrir ma fenêtre pour pas qu'on entende tous les cassos de la galaxie commencer à raconter qu'ils ont été opérés du cul. Oh ah! Mais du coup, j'ai lu. Ah, c'était ça leur mise à jour? C'est juste qu'on signe un truc que personne va lire. Ça se trouve là, ils viennent de revendre mes données personnelles pour me la mettre dans le cul. Je peux améliorer mon édition en mode de luxe. J'ai débloqué des trucs en personnalisation. Non. Est-ce que j'ai débloqué des gadgets? Non. Est-ce que j'ai débloqué des tenues? Oh. Doré bien dégueulasse. Ah ouais, c'est vrai qu'il me faudrait aussi, quand j'aurais perdu un peu de poids, un col roulé. Ok. On va prendre la partie. Let's go. Est-ce qu'on va se faire prendre l'embuscade au milieu de Londres? J'ai oublié ma gourde. Vous allez chercher ma gourde, les gars. C'est très important. Ga ga ga. Le temps de chargement qui prend sa vie. Je suis là. Oui, non mais pas comme ça. Je reviens. Alors. Bonjour. Tadam, toum, tadam. C'est parti.
How are you okay with this?
That's the beauty of orders. You don't have to like them.
Oui, mais quand même.
For my local, the Crosshairs, it's...
Yeah, I know where it is. You realize the mercenaries I fought at the airfield were not 009's men. They were there to intercept him, and they would have if I hadn't gotten in the way. Somehow, these people beat us to him twice, and we are the only ones who believe they even exist.
Take a
Wow.
breath, Bond. This is a job. You let it get inside, it will eat you alive.
Ah, mais quelque chose... Ah oui, c'est vrai, on est en Angleterre.
I'm serious. Get out of town for a few days. Blow off some steam. This is me. Try
Ok,
to get
bon,
some
il me dit juste,
Things
ouais, laisse
will
tomber,
look
gros.
better in the morning.
In other words, just do nothing.
More has been asked of lesser men.
Elle est à plus, mon gars. C'est vrai qu'on est en Angleterre, ce pays de barbares qui conduisent pas de la bonne manière. Je crois qu'au Japon aussi, c'est des barbares. Quelqu'un peut vérifier la take? Est-ce qu'au Japon aussi, ils conduisent à gauche?
Who says I'm not?
I know what a pub sounds like, James. In fact, I'm on my way to one right now. Got a date?
Going out. We just put 3 agents in the ground.
That doesn't give you permission to stop living.
C'est pas faux.
Em's making a mistake. She needs to issue a full-scale mole hunt, top to bottom. If there's a breach...
We'll find it. Why do you think she sent everyone home? MI6 aren't idiots, James. We managed just fine before you came along.
You sound like Greenway.
Just go home. Go for a run. Shake it off. Tomorrow's a new day.
Yeah.
Oh, good luck on your date.
On va la raccrocher au nez, Moneypenny, enfin. Salaud! Salaud! Ah bah oui, mais toi tu rentres à l'appart toujours.
Shoes, Monroe.
Ouais voilà, genre les affaires de ton pote mort quoi. Let's go! Ah la bonne ambiance, ça fait plaisir. Basket de Monroe, la collection de baskets de Monroe, il y a une paire pour chaque occasion. Ça se trouve il est pas mort et en fait c'est lui le traite depuis le début. Imaginez. Il y a peut-être un monde. Poussin en soie, savon de luxe, crème pour le visage, encore un colis de première urgence de la mère de Chrysidia. Colis de première urgence! Ah ouais, excuse-nous hein. Ah ma daronne elle m'a juste dit passe l'aspirateur et nettoie les chiottes.
James, I couldn't face staying in the apartment any longer than I had to. Someone will come by and pick up the rest of my things in a couple of days. There are just too many reminders of him, of everything, to be honest. I'm getting out of London for a little while. I'm going to stay with Mother at the summer house in Amalfi while I figure out what's next for me. I want you to know that none of what happened in Slovakia, not one single iota, was your fault. If Monroe were here, he would tell you the same. You saved my life, and for that I am forever grateful. Take care of yourself, and please don't be a stranger. I mean that, James.
J'ai pas dit de faire la vaisselle, c'est pas faux. Mais je vais la faire quand même. Au pire, tu viens la faire. T'aimes bien la faire. La cantine préférée de Chrysidia. Pardon? Oui? Vas-y, excuse-toi. Tout plat favori avec Monroe était surligné. Paye. Non. T'es un vrai canon, le mec fétiche de Chrysidia offert par Monroe. Tu veux que je t'offre un mug pareil, mon amour? Inspecté. D'ailleurs, c'est pour un marathon ciné.
Really do attract.
Le dernier encore entre Chrysidia et Monroe. Ah ouais, mais donc ils se baisaient bien la bouche, quoi. Nice. Enfin, non, c'est triste du coup, mais nice. Monroe passe au pressing jeudi.
Time, mate.
Jeu de pendu. Ralubé,
Poison to the
dégâts.
umbrella.
Parapluie bulgare, forcément. Oui. Peut-être. C'est un vrai truc, le parapluie bulgare. Bulgare, pardon. Partie de quartier achevée, débuté avant le départ de Slovaquie. Ah ouais, super. Allez, l'alcoolisme, ça, Bond y connaît bien.
Cheers, mate.
Ça, j'ai pas acheté d'alcool, moi, cette semaine. Oh. Va falloir que je m'achète des trucs à boire. Jeu mnémotechnique. Un jeu mémotechnique du MI6, parfait pour améliorer sa mémoire, appréhender des concepts ardus et maîtriser de nouvelles stratégies d'apprentissage. Tirez simplement une carte, mémorisez les objets qu'elle représente et écrivez ce dont vous vous rappelez. Pistolet, banane, diamant. On a combien de temps? Alors, pistolet, banane, diamant, j'ai vu un crâne, j'ai vu un... Je sais plus. Ok, on recommence. C'était des chaussures, c'était pas une banane. J'ai vu une couronne, j'ai vu des chaussures, j'ai vu un diamant, j'ai vu un pistolet, j'ai vu un crâne. J'ai plus le dernier. Tant pis. Tant pis. Là, c'était une fourche. Je suis pas la bonne agent. Greenway dit non. Désigné blonde, ça colle au personnage. Ah ouais. Je suis vraiment un enfant. C'est une console de jeu qui n'existe nulle part. Si on se prend en filature, débarrassez-vous des appareils révélant votre localisation. Ouais. Note du bureau de Chrysidia. Pas trop appuyer, sinon ça marque la page suivante. Ok. Lecture recommandée du MI6, une étagère remplie de guides couvrant un vaste champ de domaines tels que la psychologie comportementale, la cryptographie, le déchiffrage, l'art du mimétisme, la négociation et la persuasion, mais aussi la science des politiques. Les sciences politiques. Putain, ça va être chiant d'être un agent secret. C'est fermé, super. Moi, j'aime plutôt bien l'ambiance que ça donne. J'ai l'impression qu'il faisait pas si jour que ça, mais bon. Serre de toilette, la brosse à dents et le rasoir de droit de Monroe. Monroe. Et ça, c'est ma chambre. Putain, quelle chambre nulle. Broche d'argent. Ok, ça. Putain, la défunte merde de Bond. Cible en papier dans le 1000 Bond. Un cadeau de Saint-Valentin de Monroe et de Cresselia. Nautica. Un guide pas si idiot que ça sur les 50 nœuds les plus utiles. Putain, en vrai, ça, il faut que je réapprenne parce que, genre, je savais faire plein de nœuds à l'époque où je faisais de la voile. Et j'ai tout perdu. Introduction à l'ornithologie. Je crois que je peux faire encore un nœud coulant et un nœud d'huit. Un livre sur l'ornithologie et autres curiosités. Ah, il aime bien les oiseaux, ok. Ornithologue. Photographie du jeune James Bond jouant aux cartes avec ses parents, Andrew et Monique, la veille de leur décès. La vieille de leur décès. Ok.
To whom it may concern, they're gone because of my mistakes. I could have stopped it, but I failed. It should have been me. James Bond. Oh, this can't be good.
Attends, quoi, c'est... Comment ça? C'est pas toi qui as écrit ça? T'étais sûr? Salope! Tiens! Mais mange! Mange le mur! Bon, du coup, on va appeler directement le bureau.
Bond, I presume.
Ah, ok, je comprends. La cible est entrée dans le bâtiment. Je suis la cible. Je suis votre cible. Ok. Affronter le second intrus. Ok. Ou bâtard. Dans la cuisine, hein.
Took you long enough. Did the little runt give you a run for your money? You! Who do you work for?
Ouf. Oh. Ah, ça me fait mal.
How do you know about Mauritania? Die, and I'll tell you all about it.
Ah, le frigo.
I'll ask again. Who do you work for?
Take the shot.
Ah bah super.
I need to get onto the balcony.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a sur le balcon? C'est pas un sniper, ça, c'est... Il tire avec quoi, cet enfoiré? Comment il a fait passer ça à Londres, what the fuck?
Let's go and have a word.
to get to the shooter.
Saute, James, fais pas le con.
Just go home. Go for a run. Shake it off, she said.
Techniquement, t'es en train de courir, James. Ok. Bon, y a un mec qui va pas être content pour ses panneaux solaires. Je régénère pas. T'avais un angle, enfoiré.
I'm gonna be climbing that thing, aren't I?
Oh, let's go. C'est parti pour la tour de Casino Royale. Non. Ah, ça va être encore mieux.
Try and hit me now.
Come on. Bloody thing.
Ah, moi j'aurais voulu qu'il essaie de lui envoyer dans la gueule ou dans le bâtiment, quoi.
This qualifies as an emergency.
Un putain de blond. Je pense que t'as raté ton coup, mais bon. Vous avez pas l'air très compétent pour des tueurs professionnels ou je ne sais quoi. Et là, tu sais, t'appelles le truc. Tu sais, il te croit toujours pas. C'est en mode, vous avez vraiment été un petit peu loin. Genre, vous avez fait péter votre bâtiment, le coup de la joue, enfin de la grue, etc.
Someone just tried to kill me.
Say again?
At the apartment. I took his phone. I need you to trace a text.
What? I can't. Well, I'm on a date. And you're suspended. You'll need to report this to HQ. Go through the proper channels.
No, it's the twins. We don't have time for protocol.
The Murtos.
Oui,
Operating in central London.
avec
If I
une
lose the trail, we'll
putain de
never know who
mitrailleuse.
they're working for. Please, Moneypenny.
What kind of phone?
Are you sure this is the place?
Positive. The signal's coming from inside the Works and Arts Museum.
There's
Ah.
an event. The Webb Industries Anniversary Gala.
Web Gala's tonight. Shit. How did I miss that? James, if Webb is a target, we can't sit on this. I need to issue an alert.
Don't. He'll only slip away again. I need time.
Be quick about it. I've updated your watch tracker. See if you can't get a closer fix on the signal. And James...
I'll be careful.
No, you won't. Just don't screw up.
Une invited. Ouh, je ne suis pas invité.
An hour in bloody traffic, a room full of half-drunk bores.
Rather a lot of security for an office party, isn't there?
Sir? Well, this is strictly an invitation-only event.
I know.
Oh, well, then the gala's down the hall. Enjoy.
Please tell me you remember.
Ah, juste ça suffit ça? Oui, je le sais.
Now, who has my invitation?
Times at the house and twice on the way. How could I not remember?
Because lately I find myself constantly having to remind you about things. That's why.
It's called selective hearing, my dear.
Don't be such a grunt.
Yes, ma'am. In the main hall, directly.
Je vais pas lui tirer dessus.
Just have your invitation ready for my colleague at the entrance.
Is there somewhere I can leave my jacket for the night?
Cloakroom.
What the fuck?
It'll be put to
Why
good
do they
use.
call her the
Don't you
Tenders?
worry.
I often wonder what it'd be like if he was still around and the two set aside their differences to combine their ideologies.
La meuf, elle s'est fait cramer la rétine et elle a perdu son invitation. Dégage, c'est moi le personnage principal, femme. Oh.
Get you something, sir? Champagne. Perhaps something a little stronger.
I'm looking for my friend. Tall, blonde, dead-eyed.
Would he be the one who gave you that makeover?
Non, c'est bon, je l'ai vu. Putain, encore les albinos de cons, là.
Excuse me, sir.
Oui, c'est ça, excuse-toi.
Where's he going?
Perhaps he took a wrong turn somewhere.
Let's be sure to steer clear of him tonight, then.
Got you now.
Completely drowned me, the blonde buffoon.
I am incredibly sorry, sir.
Do you know how much this costs?
He'd been the phone. Of course he did.
Salopard. Saligo, il savait, il sait tout.
Tell me you caught him.
No, but it looks like CCTV did. If I access the camera feed, can you locate him?
You'd have to patch me directly into the CCTV network terminal. Go to the security room. It's first floor, east wing, staff offices.
Got it.
Ok.
Let's get a spot up close for the big speech.
So we can bask in the warm glows. It's a city train wreck. 3 agents in training dead. Scores of civilians.
Hey, you're back home. Just waiting on a journalist who's running late and holding me up.
Rob Minkley, Crux Magazine. No, he's not here. That's why I'm calling you. Actually, Mike Chaxfield from the Bulletin is here, I'm told. If Minkley doesn't appear in the next 10, let's find him, give him the exclusive. Yes, that Rob Minkley. I'd really rather the exclusive went to Crux, but if he can't be asked turning up, we have no choice but to offer it to Mike and the Bulletin.
Oula, oula, oula. Du calme. Rentre pas dans une femme.
Rob Minkley. Sorry for the wait.
About time, Mr. Minkley. Our miss gave up on you. Right then, go grab your camera, and I'll take you past security.
She might be able to help me here.
Chercher un appareil de photo dans le gala. Ok. Un appareil de photo, hein, j'arrive très bien à parler, je suis en train de devenir à Kung King de
Sorry, just
fatigue.
trying to get past you.
Marvelous. Thanks.
Know this one? Favorite of my father's.
A man of good taste.
He had a huge record collection. Drove my mother crazy.
And a vinyl lover, too.
The only way to appreciate the music, apparently.
Sounds like a wise man.
That he was.
As
Unintentional. Enjoy the
go
show.
on shining. Na 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 na. They know it's the end of the world.
I'm just trying to get through.
Goodbye. Faut que je trouve un appareil photo. Ah.
Vital Photography can be such a negative experience. Unintentional. Just coming through.
Understand. No, I can't understand.
Yeah, I'm here. In the bar. Just come and find me. Any idea why we're here tonight?
Not a clue.
Sorry, sir. This area is reserved for press photographers only.
Not a problem.
Brandon Bailey or something?
Well, I have it on good faith from a source.
Okay.
Minkley is not only making an appearance, but he's also been given the
It's
best
the
photographs.
If Minkley's here, it must be juicy.
Huh? What are you talking about? The real restaurant critic of the London Review was in last
Ça va les mecs?
Web hates that man. His piece on him. I suspect whatever he's unveiling tonight,
Well,
it also serves as
That's just not possible.
That woman you talked to at the bar.
Pardon madame.
New senior crisis manager, isn't she?
Oh, is that what we call it?
Excusez-moi, c'est bon. J'ai mon appareil photo.
All set.
Follow me. The balcony should give you an excellent view of the stage.
Là, je vous dis, hein, par contre, dès que je sais, enfin dès que ça sort la compilation de MGS, c'est gros marathon MGS sur la chaîne, hein, je m'en branle.
Sorry, miss, but this man can't go upstairs.
Relax, fellas. He's with me.
You say so.
I read your articles in Crux magazine on rogue AI and cognitive warfare. Very thought-provoking. Aren't you afraid you'll wind up in the wrong person's crosshairs one day?
What makes you think I haven't already?
Enjoy the speech. Should be right up your alley.
Can't wait.
Everything in place.
All set. Sir Nicholas here yet?
En route. Any pushback from museum security?
Nothing we can't.
Sir, this area is off limits. MI6. We have a potential security threat. I need access to the CCTV feed, and I need it now.
Right. Sure you are. Listen, son. My name is Simon, and Simon says, go back to the gala, have yourself a glass
Ah,
of
bah oui, parce que Simon, c'est Jack.
worry that pretty little head of yours. We've got everything under control here tonight.
You need to listen to me.
Feet or head first. You choose.
C'est un conquinque, lui.
How's it look down there?
CCTV room is through here.
It looks like it's in full swing. You?
Stragglers hanging around reception and the cloakroom, but overall, everything looks good from where I'm standing.
Come on! This isn't finished! Hello? Yeah, there's a madman.
Man down! Don't have backup!
Wipe that grin off.
Ça s'est pas du tout bien passé. Hop. Ça me dit pas qu'il faut un code. Les gens derrière.
We need to cut that. Get straight to the... Oh. Can I help you?
Security. Don't mind me. Just doing a quick sweep.
Aren't you a little underdressed?
Casual Friday.
It's Thursday.
Bon. On va essayer de passer par des chemins un peu détournés. Ah mec.
Can I ask where you're trying to go?
Putain, je pensais qu'il allait être tranquille lui.
Thought you only worked the 9 to 5.
Should we worry about what that lad from MI6 told us?
Hello? What are you doing?
Can you stop that, please? Excuse me? Do you need something?
Take it easy. I'm not looking for a fight.
You move, you'll get... I'm gonna mess you up. Pull it in.
Cover me while I pull it in. Hello? Yes.
Radio.
On our way. Get him while he's weak.
Je vois rien.
You blink. I've got this.
You got nothing, man. Ok.
Simon says don't get up.
Quel bâtard. Code d'accès. Il faut que j'arrive à trouver le truc.
Shit. Somebody down, right here. You dark little muppet.
J'aurais dû fermer ta gueule. Il y a une caméra ici, hop. Comment je rentre là-dedans, cependant? Là, on va me dire, James, vous avez défoncé la moitié de la sécurité d'un endroit alors que vous y étiez pas autorisé, qu'il n'y avait aucune mission, vous êtes vraiment un trou du cul.
What?
All right,
What's going on?
Yeah, hello? Yes, there's a madman down here.
Right. I'm gonna...
Putain, il fait du kung-fu, lui.
If I want to find Murto, CCTV will point the way.
Ouais, mais je cherche, moi, les codes.
Hey?
We've got to get out of here.
I need to get clear.
No sign of Sir Nicholas yet.
Is that...
Big night like this?
Movement.
You think he'd be down there in the middle of all that, shaking everyone's hands and cutting deals with half a Downing Street?
Who's that?
I'll be in the office if anyone's looking for the key card for the CCTV room. Just have the radio and come find me.
All right, Gov, will do.
What? What?
Désolé, mec.
Much appreciated.
Je suis sûr que t'as moyen de faire des trucs vraiment discrets et pas débiles comme moi je fais, mais moi je suis un bourrin. De manière, on refera les succès, les défis, tout ça en mode 100% cover.
Moneypenny, I'm at the terminal.
Hang on, just need someplace quiet.
Bollocks, I don't have the password.
People are lazy. They probably put it on a post-it note. Have a look around.
All right, sit tight.
Le bureau. Un bureau encombré, jonché de papier, liste de tâches à moitié.
How's your boy?
On his third pint. Wondering what...
People really should be more careful. Found it.
What did I tell you? Now, patch me in.
Logging in now. There. I'm in.
Okay, pulling the footage. Here's your man.
So much for 2 birds, 1 stone. You have a location?
Basement archives. Not the worst place to lay low. Or plan an ambush.
Not tonight. I'm headed there now.
Ok. Bon, tout le monde s'est fait tabasser la gueule ici, mais dites rien. Les renforts sont en route. Oui, bah, ils vont peut-être se rendre... En fait, c'est bien, comme ça, ils vont pouvoir apporter des soins aux personnes qui jettent tabassées. J'apporte un soutien par le fait de me faire voir par la caméra avant de partir. Ou une preuve pour m'inculper plus tard. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ces conneries?
Looks like it unlocks remotely.
Jerry, la serrure de la salle de restauration est toujours cassée. Il faut la réparer pour pouvoir verrouiller les lieux après... tu dois absolument t'occuper avant le gars de web.
He's down here somewhere.
Serrure cassée... Ça marche.
Well, this all looks very expensive. Let's not touch anything. Basil from accounting will have my head.
Oui, mais je crois que...
Sorry, Baz.
Je crois que Basile, il va se marier samedi, quoi.
Huh. If only it was this easy all the time. Well, this all looks rather ominous.
Ouais, ça a l'air d'être l'ambiance quand même. Hein. Ils ont encore reposé des bombes, je pense, ces connards. Ils ont des sales trognes, les bâtards. Batadu. Bah.
Has to be something I can use to get to it.
Je le vois pas du tout, je sais pas où il est ce bâtard.
Soon, Mr. Bond. Come on, think, James, think. There has to be something I can use.
J'ai raté.
Must be something I can use here.
Ouais, en fait, il te repousse, ok, super. Oui, bah écoute, t'as mis du temps à me mettre là-bas, l'enculé. Ok, il faut jouer avec le terrain. Ça va le faire, hein. C'est la fin du monde. That's the end of the world as we know it.
Something I can use to get to him. That knocked the wind out of his sails. I bet his brother felt that one too.
Let's finish it!
Et approche Mackay.
Face man! That worked. Let's finish this.
Ah. Ah, je te la laisse, hein. La statue d'Athéna, là, ou je ne sais quoi. Ah, c'est peut-être Poséidon. Ah. Eh bien.
That was for Monroe.
Je montrerai la photo à ton frère.
Awaiting authorization from Webb. Understood. He's just an old geezer. Are you sure we brought enough men? He's tougher than he looks. Proceed with caution. His arm's in a sling. I think we can manage.
Greenway.
Ah, ils veulent buter Greenway? Ah, mais c'est que Greenway, en fait, ce bâtard, il est aussi venu.
Moneypenny, it's Webb. The Murtaughs are working for Nicholas Bloody Webb. He's behind everything.
James, that's just not...
I know what I heard. I need to get a hold of Greenway. He's next.
Already tried. He's off the grid. James, we are in over our heads. We need to inform M.
No time. I'm going after him. Make him call off the attack.
Are you out of your mind? Nicholas Webb is one of the most powerful men in Britain. Let's think this through.
What about Murtaugh's earpiece? If I patch you in, can you trace the second attack team?
It does look like it's transmitting a geolocation signal to a device inside the building.
It has to be Webb. He commands the assassins. Tell me you can hack it.
From a bathroom stall at the night area.
Ah, c'est bon, j'ai une carte d'accès.
Not a chance. But I can use your watch as a data extraction tool. You just get close to Webb and I'll handle the rest. I only need a few minutes to update the software.
Tu veux dire que le mec qui a créé une IA à la con, c'est le méchant? Tiens.
Now to find Webb.
J'ai tué un des muertos. Et ça, c'est bien. Sir Nicholas Webb. Ah putain, en plus, il est chevalier, ce bâtard. Il a été adoubé par le King ou par la Queen?
Doors closing.
Bloody hell!
Museum door inspector. This one didn't pass.
Effectivement, Bond, effectivement.
Where are you, Webb?
Eh hey. Dis donc, tu serais pas la fausse française?
Inconvenient time. I must say, you look astonishing for your age, Agent Roth. Hardly a day over 50.
Would you expect an apology?
How about an explanation?
Later. Just play along.
Damien!
I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
You're not. Damien, meet Mr. Beach, was it?
Bond. James Bond.
What do you do, James?
Lately, headhunting.
Oh dear. I do hope you're not plotting on stealing Isola here. I took such trouble in hiring her. She really is rather brilliant. Quite the catch.
Well, I'm not making any promises.
What do you know? I'm out. Excuse me, gentlemen.
I'd be careful with this one, James. Dare I say, out of your league.
Your attention, please.
Hold this, Danny.
J'en ai rien à foutre. Et puis en vrai, j'ai pas envie de son petit cul.
Hello, hi. Well, welcome all. Tonight we celebrate the history of Webb Industries.
Ça veut dire toile.
Merely looking back would be complacent. Personally, I prefer to look ahead.
Oh non, pas des robots. Il va faire des sexbots.
For more than a century, Webb Industries has pushed for a better, safer future.
Après, c'est des thématiques qui sont dans l'air du temps.
The hack starts automatically when you're within 3 feet of the target.
On it.
And yet I want us to
Excuse
aim
me.
higher.
Coming through.
Watch it.
It's not a concert. Sorry. Has the power to
Excuse me. Ah putain, elle m'a drogué la conne.
sapient brains and into
James,
a more
what's wrong?
gracious
Talk to me.
Oh my god!
What happened? I think he just collapsed. Security!
Ou c'est le mec qui m'a drogué? Bon, dans tous les cas, c'est pas bon.
A loose signs clear the cobwebs. Web wants you lucid.
I see you wasted no time. No, she wasted mine. Someone trained her well.
How did you allow her to get this close? And what is he doing here? You know I handle MI6.
They were onto us, and I didn't think that we had time for your back-channeling.
That is precisely...
Damir ressemblerait à un prince vampire de mes couilles dans Vampire Masquerade.
Careful. Careful. You know how I get father.
Enough, Damien.
What the fuck? Pourquoi tu caresses ton père?
Yes, well, alas. There's no time to backpedal now. The ball is rolling. I have a full strike team on Greenway. He is as good as dead.
Fine. Now, clean up your mess. It needn't have come to this. And I'm truly sorry.
Well, it's only cold-blooded murder. Don't beat yourself up about it.
Ok. QTO pour résister à la torture, let's go. Perdre le téléphone. Et... Vois mes options. Sortir ma caquette. T'aimes les hommes, toi, non?
Okay. Very well. You heard, man.
Pas dans le visage, je suis sensible.
This is going to be the end of a very short career. Never accept a drink from a stranger. I guess they didn't teach you that in that little spy school of yours. One for the road. What? No witty remark. Not even the old, "You're never gonna get away with this." Wow, you really are quite disappointing.
Tell me something, do you always bring sedatives to a party? I should count myself lucky I didn't wake up in your hotel room.
Your profile wasn't kidding. You really are spectacularly annoying. Anything else you'd like to get off your chest?
I'm curious. What did 009 have on you?
Ouais.
He must have posed quite a threat.
Yes, well, you've seen the T-shirt. Every crisis is an opportunity.
Have you told Nico about his brother's untimely end? I do hope he doesn't shoot the messenger.
Just be grateful that I don't have his patience or his anatomical know-how.
C'est tout? Tu tapes comme ta mère morte?
We're about done here then. My champagne's getting flat.
How did you know 009 was in Slovakia and left? Do you have a mole at MI6?
You're good. I tell you, I really would, but then, well, then I'd have to kill you. Oh, wait. I'm gonna do that anyway. Would you look at the time? Joe.
I have to ask. Do you often let your father scold you like a petulant child?
Ah.
James. Now you're just trying to get a rise out of me.
Non, mais ça marche visiblement.
Have it your way.
Allez. Nickel. Mais en fait, finalement, c'est Metal Gear Solid, quoi.
That was invigorating. Thank you. Make them disappear.
Bon, du coup, t'es qui, toi?
Can you walk?
Ouais.
Well, let's find out.
Tu peux même daber si tu veux, ma grande.
We'll have company soon. I don't suppose you have an exit strategy?
Well, this wasn't exactly a planned visit.
Figured as much. Locked. Quick, check the others. 3 months. That's how long I spent infiltrating Web Industries.
Et c'est pas mon problème.
And you managed to waste it in all of 30 seconds.
It's a gift. Also locked.
To be expected.
No
Attends.
way out.
Didn't pig you for a quitter.
So what do I call you? I bet Isla isn't your real name either.
Please. It's not like yours is James Bond.
Of course not.
Window it is, then.
What are you doing?
Waiting for you, James. Be a gentleman.
Ouais. Mais t'aurais pu choisir une robe moins dégueulasse, hein. J'avoue que le...
Now pull me up.
No time, someone's coming. Hide.
Oh, mais je vais juste me les faire.
You don't know the half of it. Management just issued a code wipe back at the perch. All hands on deck.
An all-out data wipe because of one guy.
A data wipe.
Awfully quiet, isn't it?
What are you trying to hide?
That makes it worse. Vince? No? You two just about done in there?
Oh, they're done all right.
James, what happened?
I got it wrong. It isn't Sir Nicholas controlling the kill team. It's his lunatic son. I barely escaped. Tell me your plan worked.
I'm processing. Piggybacking the signal,
Je sais
tracing...
pas où c'est que ça peut mener, ça, mais bon.
We find the kill team.
On va pas les
find
chercher.
Greenway. Where are you now?
I'm about to be swarmed by trigger-happy mercenaries. I need a way out of the museum.
Already on it. According to schematics, there's an old backlot behind the exhibit. Chances are the hostiles don't know about it.
Moneypenny, whoever this guy is, he doesn't deserve you.
Informal units were on full lockdown.
Oh, it's bring your gun to work day. I must have missed the memo.
Do we have his picture?
I've requested his profile from HQ. Coming through any minute.
And the woman?
We'll deal with her later. He's top priority.
Oh, he won't be going anywhere.
Weird.
Get him! There! It's him! Move it! On the offensive!
Allez. T'as l'air d'un con, toi.
He's reloading! Engage! Watch out! Ah! Been hit!
J'en ai peut-être un autre de... Dingue.
Find cover! Closing in. Going down.
Tiens, mange le sol.
That was dramatic.
Eh bah nickel. Finalement, j'ai moins de morons pour les mecs que j'ai tabassés tout à l'heure. Je me fais moins de soucis, je me dis juste, oh.
The balcony on the other side's my way out.
Peut-être qu'il méritait finalement. Bah ça, heureusement que personne n'a d'oreille. Ok.
Not to alarm you, but an armed unit's just arrived from Web Industries HQ.
I must have made an impression. Any advice?
Play nice.
Always.
Bon. Ça va durer combien de temps la gentillesse et la tranquillité? Moi je propose un petit 10 secondes. Comptez chez vous. Hein. Ah, si j'arrive pas à trouver le chemin. Ah, ce sera plus que 10 secondes, je le sens. Oh! Juste que je me casse par là.
Hopefully this is a good time to drop in.
Ground and first floor exit secure. Watch your backs, keep your eye out for anyone suspicious. FYI, Saunders and White have north exit key cards, if anyone's looking.
I'll be needing that key card.
Hello? Hey, we are enforcing the...
Any news on whoever this is we're supposed to be looking for?
Nothing. Doesn't exactly make our jobs any easier.
All right. Courtyard.
Hello? Who's there?
Y'a personne. Pipoulou pipou papa pidibidibou padapapou.
You're moving up here?
Yeah, I hope so. You don't know? It's been ages since the process started.
Well, who's there?
Il m'a surpris ce con. Désolé mec.
Serious hardware for a museum visit.
Which I know doesn't do us much good right now, but just keep your... Are you authorized to be here?
This will hurt! Get him!
Huh?
You! Stand still!
You shouldn't be here. I'm with HQ. Has Damien come through here? One of his guys is dead. Just found the body in the basement.
Shit. That's not good.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Who are you? Come on!
J'ai saccagé lui. Par où je descends finalement? Ah, j'avais un chemin en fait tout à l'heure. Quel connard. Voilà. T'apprendras à être con toi. Je reviens. Désolé. La soudaine envie de pisser m'est parvenue. Ok. Alors, fallait que tu me tires sur... C'est quoi ce bruit? Je reviens encore. Rien d'important, juste un bruit de con. Hop là. Climatiseur surcharge. Non, pas besoin.
Check the exit? Checked and double checked. Locked up tight. Great. Hiya! That's not. What is he playing at? You, what are you doing?
Easy now. All right, take it easy.
Ok, nickel.
Who's there?
Il me faut une petite carte, dis donc.
Got that key card? Right here on me. Must be bad if you lot have been called in to deal with things.
Yeah, but I'm not too worried though. There's enough of us here to wipe the floor clean with whoever managed to piss Webb off.
You got yourself a bit of a tan. Been anywhere nice?
Mauritania.
Mauritania? Really? What was that like?
Hot and dusty.
Ouais, arrête de discuter là.
Travel agent.
No. No, it wasn't.
Un autre truc là que je peux... Je vais attendre qu'il refasse son tour. Je vais lui mettre un petit coup dans les yeux et lui voler sa carte.
Huh? You! Identify yourself immediately! Hello? Yeah, there's a madman down here. Send backup!
Oh, ça s'est très mal passé. Ouh. Oh le bâtard, il m'a buté. Faut dire qu'il vient de voir son pote se faire démonter la gueule. Allez. Allez, le jeu. Bon, du coup, c'est le connard au milieu de la salle qui l'a.
Serious hardware for a museum visit. Doubt you'll be needing that.
Is that... You! What are you doing?
Hein?
Right. Take it easy. I don't want any...
Go on, hard man.
Control, we've got a situation down here. Send back up. To the garden.
Niquez vos mères. Ou pas.
I don't see him.
This is no good. But
Allez, ciao les mecs. C'était musclé, mais c'est passé.
The recreation project uses an advanced neural network algorithm
Evening.
to recreate damaged or
Oh là là.
incomplete historical artifacts.
Ah, c'est les gens pleureurs.
Unprecedented accuracy. The algorithm analyzes the molecular structure of the artifact and, combining this with photogrammetric models.
Listen up. Tango 1 is a white male, mid-20s, dark hair, medium build. Orders are to shoot on sight.
Damien's dogs, I presume.
Clearing lead, moving in.
Check that corridor.
Entrance right, clear.
The squad is in position.
For this exhibition, marble or limestone statues are reconstructed, allowing past application to others.
We'll sort that after. Right. He's over there! You are going down! Right down there! He's down! Mine for the taking. I took a bullet!
Genre, t'as moyen de le faire en discret, ça.
Get out of my shot! Shoot now! I'm wounded! Teammate down! Can't cut him down! Need to reload! He's on his last legs! Out!
Merde, il est là, le bâtard.
Watch out! Cover! Shot! Right! Need a reload! Right on target. Pushing in now. Get down. Goes down. He took his weapon. Started. On my position. Find cover. Ready. Action.
Dans ta gueule.
Find cover. Grenade out. He's gone dark. I need to do something fast.
Là, tu dois surtout retrouver les dents de tous tes potes. Il est où cet enfoiré? Ah, je l'ai vu tout au fond. Hein. Je te laisse en vie, tu raconteras ça à tous les autres. Il aurait dû décider de pas m'avoir vu. Je pense qu'au moment où il m'a vu commencer à courir comme un enfoiré sur sa gueule, en esquivant tout ce qui tirait, je pense qu'il s'est peut-être dit...
Somehow I doubt that.
James, I have the coordinates. Transmitting now.
Moneypenny, you're a lifesaver. Where's your date?
Anywhere but here. His words.
His loss.
I've got the address. You'll need a ride.
Hold on. Almost out.
Boss? Oh, fuck.
James? James, what's happening? Is that shooting? Are you alright?
I'll let you know in a minute.
Putain, mais c'est Golden Eyes. Golden Eye.
Jesus Christ! Not quite. Keys, where are they?
In the cab!
Thanks.
It sticks in seconds!
La seconde marche
Don't
mal.
worry. I'll take good care of her.
Let's go. Excuse-moi, mais je passe par là. Oh, et remettez-moi des mecs à... Voilà, nickel. Je passe, hein. Je passe. Calme dans ta race, toi.
Now, where were we?
Christ, half of Kensington would have heard that. Did you get a car?
And then some.
Then what are you talking to me for? Get a move on.
Yes, Mom.
Yo.
I thought I told you to go home.
I needed some fresh air.
Clearly. And did you figure out who's been trying to kill us?
Webb.
So you understand what we need to do next?
File a report?
Oui.
We
Oui.
need to make the first move.
Ouais, ma gueule. C'est y part, hein. On n'est plus que nous deux.
Quite the stash you got here, Greenway.
I asked Q to make a dead drop earlier. Old dog, old trick. Now tool up. I reckon the laser would prove useful in this type of situation.
Je garde mon laser, mais par contre, la mine, je la prends.
All set.
Off we go.
Petite pause pour les yeux, mesdames et messieurs. Il est temps d'aller se dégourdir un peu les jambes. YouTube, je vais couper l'enregistrement là et je vous le remettrai. On va faire comme ça, on va découper les VOD, ce sera peut-être un peu plus buvable pour vous. Bisous.